The open road awaits, embracing the solo travel experience. Traveling solo is an exhilarating experience. It allows you to discover the world on your terms. Imagine the freedom to explore hidden alleyways, linger in charming cafes, and chase sunsets. Solo travel empowers you to design your itinerary. Whether you're an art enthusiast, history buff, or foodie, solo travel lets you curate your perfect trip. One of the greatest joys of solo travel is self-discovery. You gain a deeper understanding of yourself. You learn to rely on your instincts and problem solve independently. These experiences foster personal growth and resilience. Solo travel opens doors to unexpected encounters. You're more likely to strike up conversations with locals and fellow travelers. These interactions can lead to new friendships and unforgettable memories. Embrace the unknown and welcome serendipitous moments. Solo travel is about embracing the journey as much as the destination. Savor the freedom to wander and connect with the world. Pack your bags, embrace the open road, and embark on an adventure. Conquering fears and doubts, overcoming challenges of solo travel. Embarking on a solo adventure can be daunting, especially for first-timers. Loneliness is a common concern, but solo travel doesn't mean being alone. Connect with locals and fellow travelers. Fear of the unknown is another challenge. Research your destination and book accommodations in advance. Share your itinerary, stay aware, and trust your instincts. The rewards of solo travel far outweigh the difficulties. Safety first, essential tips for solo travelers. Staying safe is crucial when exploring the world solo. It's about being prepared, informed, and vigilant. Always research your destination thoroughly, familiarizing yourself with local laws, customs, and potential safety concerns. Knowledge is your best defense against unexpected situations. Before you even leave, share your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member. This simple act ensures someone knows your whereabouts throughout your journey. Regularly check in with them, especially if your plans change. When out and about, be mindful of your surroundings. Avoid displaying expensive jewelry or large amounts of cash. Stick to well-lit and populated areas, particularly at night. If you're unsure about a particular neighborhood or route, don't hesitate to ask locals or your accommodation staff for advice. Trust your instincts. If a situation or location feels unsafe, remove yourself immediately. It's better to err on the side of caution than to ignore your gut feeling. Remember, your safety is paramount. The art of connection-making friends on your solo journey. One of the joys of travel is meeting new people, and solo travel provides ample opportunities for connection. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with fellow travelers and locals. You'll be surprised by the interesting stories and perspectives you'll encounter. Hostels are fantastic places to meet like-minded adventurers. Their communal atmospheres foster interaction and often host social events. Consider joining a group tour or activity such as a cooking class or walking tour. These shared experiences naturally lead to conversations and friendships. Embrace technology to your advantage. Social media platforms and travel apps can connect you with other travelers and locals. Use them to find travel buddies, exchange tips, and arrange meetups. Remember, making friends on the road is about being open, approachable, and genuinely interested in others. Budgeting wisely, stretching your dollar further. Traveling solo doesn't have to break the bank. With careful planning and savvy budgeting, you can stretch your travel funds further. Research destinations known for affordability. Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, and Central America offer incredible value for money. Consider traveling during the shoulder seasons like spring and fall to avoid peak prices and crowds. Explore budget-friendly accommodation options like hostels, guest houses, and homestays. These not only save money but also provide local experiences. Embrace free activities. Many cities offer free walking tours, museum entry on certain days, and parks perfect for picnics. Cook your meals occasionally instead of eating out for every meal. Visiting local markets and grocery stores allows you to savor regional flavors while saving money. Packing essentials for solo backpackers. Packing smart is crucial for solo travelers, especially backpackers. Start with a lightweight, durable backpack and use packing cubes to keep your items organized. Choose multi-purpose clothing that can be layered and mixed and matched. Don't forget a quick dry towel, compact toiletries, and a reusable water bottle. A portable charger and a universal adapter are must-haves for keeping your devices powered. Pack a small first aid kit and personal safety items like a whistle and a doorstop alarm. Keep your travel documents and money secure with a money belt or neck pouch. A lightweight sleeping bag and a travel pillow can make a big difference in comfort. With these essentials, you'll be ready for any adventure that comes your way. Packing smart ensures a smoother, more enjoyable solo backpacking experience. Remember, the key is to pack light and stay prepared for anything. Cultural etiquette for solo travelers. Respecting local customs is crucial when traveling solo. Start by researching the cultural norms of your destination. A simple smile and greeting can go a long way in making a positive impression. Learning basic phrases in the local language shows respect and effort. Words like please, thank you, and hello are essential. Engage with local traditions and customs. Attend local festivals and events to immerse yourself in the culture. Dining with locals can offer a deeper understanding of their way of life. Be mindful of dress codes, especially in religious or conservative areas. Small gestures like removing your shoes before entering a home can show respect. Always ask for permission before taking photos of people or private property. Use public transportation to experience daily life as locals do. Support local businesses and artisans. Shopping at local markets helps sustain the community. Consider volunteering or participating in community projects. Building connections with locals can enrich your travel experience. Sharing a meal or a conversation can create lasting memories. Respecting cultural etiquette not only enhances your travel experience but also fosters mutual respect and understanding. Embrace the opportunity to learn and grow from the diverse cultural experiences you encounter. Planning your solo adventure. A step-by-step guide. Planning your solo adventure is an exciting part of the journey. Start by defining your interests. What kind of experience are you seeking? Adventure, relaxation, cultural immersion? Once you know your travel style, choose a destination that aligns with your interests and budget. Next, research your chosen destination thoroughly. Read travel blogs, guidebooks, and online forums. Gather information on visa requirements, local customs, transportation options, and potential safety concerns. Create a rough itinerary, outlining the places you want to visit and how long you'll spend in each location. Be flexible, as unexpected opportunities may arise. Book your flights and accommodation in advance, especially if traveling during peak season. Research visa requirements and ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. Alert your bank and credit card companies about your travel plans to avoid any issues with using your cards abroad. Essential items for your solo travel packing list. Gear up for adventure. Packing light is key for solo travelers, but certain essentials can enhance your journey. A comfortable and sturdy backpack is crucial for carrying your belongings. Choose one with adjustable straps and multiple compartments for organization. Pack versatile clothing suitable for various climates and activities. Layers are key. Comfortable walking shoes are essential, as you'll likely be doing a lot of exploring on foot. A universal adapter is a must-have for charging your electronics in different countries. A first aid kit with essentials like bandages, pain relievers, and antiseptic wipes is crucial for minor injuries or ailments. A journal and pen allow you to jot down your experiences, thoughts, and reflections. Finally, don't forget a good book to keep you entertained during long journeys or quiet evenings. Embrace the unknown. Your unforgettable solo journey awaits. Embarking on a solo journey is an act of courage and self-discovery. It's about stepping outside your comfort zone, embracing the unknown, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Remember, the world is full of kind and welcoming people. Don't be afraid to ask for directions, recommendations, or simply strike up a conversation. Traveling solo allows you to connect with different cultures on a deeper level. You'll gain a new perspective on the world and yourself. Embrace the freedom to explore at your own pace. Linger in places that inspire you, and skip those that don't. So, pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and embark on an unforgettable solo adventure that will enrich your life in countless ways. The open road awaits.